Hey guys, what's up? So the Poco X2 is one of the best phones that you can get under the 20,000 rupees in India, and after 6 months of its launch, Poco is gearing to launch its successor in the form of the Poco X3, which isn't a rebrand of a Redmi smartphone. So finally we have an original phone from Poco that, like the Poco F1, isn't gonna win any design awards with that camera module. On the front we have the 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD with a 120Hz refresh rate along with a 240Hz touch sampling rate. There's a punch hole in the center for the selfie camera, so no dual lenses in the front this time, which I guess is a nice way to get rid of that pill-shaped cutout. The punch hole houses a 20 megapixel selfie camera, while the back gets a 64 megapixel quad camera setup. The primary camera is assumed to be the Sony IMX686, which is the same as the Poco X2. The IMX686 is a really good performer as is seen in the Poco X2, so even the X3 should be able to capture some great photos. The X3, like its predecessor, will have a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it will be powered by the Snapdragon 732G, which has just been announced by Qualcomm. The 732G is a slightly modified 730G with a higher clock speed of 2.3 GHz as against 2.2 GHz on the Snapdragon 730G. It also comes with an Adreno 618 GPU, which brings a 15% improvement in the GPU. Aside from these two improvements, there are no major changes compared to the 730G except some Snapdragon Elite gaming features. It will come with 6 and 8 GB of RAM along with 64, 128 and 256 GB of storage. Of course, the phone will run MIUI 12 based on Android 10. The Poco X3 will get a bigger battery compared to the X2 at 5160 mAh along with 33 watts of fast charging support. The bigger battery should improve the phone's battery life further. The X3 is scheduled to launch globally on the 7th of September, with Malaysia getting the phone on the same day, hoping it would launch in India soon as it would be a nice alternative to the Realme 7 Pro. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.